So when we're looking at academic goals, the subordinate goal would be the BA or BS or a graduate degree. So that's the goal that's at the top right there, that one goal. And what oftentimes people do, they try to change up their goals, or they they try to change the dominant goal. They will go good in one thing and then all of a sudden they switch, right? So you want to be careful about the goals you set in terms of the dominant goal, because once you change a dominant goal, all of the goals under it and the actions that begin that goal will eventually have to be changed out. And your lower order goals tend to be more substitutable, but by the time you get to your higher order goals, which in this case, as an academic program, your lower order goals would be those goals that are part of your, say, your lower division courses, right? And then your higher order goals would be those upper division courses, and then that dominant goal is the actual degree program itself, the degree rather. And so if you are changing out goals in the lower order, I don't think you would have a problem. But once you get to your upper division, it's something you want to think about. So then the higher order goal would be upper division coursework. Lower order goal would be lower division coursework, electives. And actions are that sustained enrollment. So your application, your registration, your sustained enrollment. That's why I always tell my students who are struggling when they have jobs and they may have to drop a class or something like that. I tell them, take one class a semester until you can get everything situated with your job. Because once you get out, once you leave the campus or stop enrollment, you are likely to put something else in that place. And if you put something else in that place, it may take you a while to come back. Sometimes that something else could be a friendship, it could be family, it could be another job. And if you have to take care of yourself, you just have to take care of yourself. I'm not going to down anybody for that. But if the goal is to get a degree, you got to set that as a very achievable goal, which it can be. And you may have to switch out your schedules. You may have to take an online course until you can get back on track. But don't stop. Keep that sustained enrollment. Keep that sustained registration.